This is my biome, it's what I call home. All of my time I've spent building you. From the moment of spawn, whenever I log on.
Hey guys, this is mcpe, and today we're going to do is reviewing the addons. Let's go to the Minecraft. Okay. And we have this. Sorry about that noise. And again some noise. Just wait for sorry about that, guys. In this town is kinda annoying for now. This is the chain helmet and chain leggings and chain just plate and boots. And today we have this yellow and green. Let's try this one and punch that little dirty cow. You can usually punch something and some yellow next. And this is the poster. This is so fast. And this you can see them in the here in the sword. You can usually see them name tag or just name, spawn cave spider, that's kind of cool, and spawn spider. And thank you. And you can see here in the seed you can see the card on the sticks, and that's the key for the the motor. And you can usually drive. You cannot drive if you are not holding the key. If you hold the key, you can drive. And thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to my channel.